Hello! So, would you guys like to see the garden seeds that I got for this year? This isn't all of them, I still need to get a couple more. This is majority of them. Majority. Because we're gonna be doing some major work landscape-wise this year. So would you like to see? Of course you do. Let me show you. Okay, I have the box open already. Why? Because this entire thing here is nothing but a big sticker with my address on it. Yeah, that's open already. So let's just dive into it here. I got a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I'm just gonna, let's do that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. We got a lot here. So we've got, there we go. Okay, so I just gotta sit like this. Okay, so I've got some bush beans. These are just, I think they're called spike. Yeah. And then we've got, this is actually very uncomfortable. The yellow bush beans here. So I got my beans. And then we've got, seriously, this is so uncomfortable. I got 2 packages of scallions or green onions. I didn't realize I got 2. My mistake, but that's okay. We use a lot of these anyway, so I got 2 of these. I'm just putting them back in the box as I'm going. Garlic chives. I've never actually seen garlic chives until somebody was talking about them. Then I was trying to see if I could find them, but I couldn't. But I found seeds. So I'll go that way. I'll grow my own. We got cabbage, red cabbage, and green cabbage, because these can grow absolutely amazing here. Celery! Tall Utah is what it was called. It was the one that looked the most familiar to me, so that was the one I went with. We got 2 cucumbers. This is the one that made the most sense to me. I was sitting there reading all the descriptions and everything else. I'm hoping I got the right ones. Because why is there like 1,500 different types of cucumbers? Why? I got Olympian cucumbers. They seem to be sound like the most normal cucumbers I could find, because I just like a good old field cucumber. That's what I like them. We call them, and that's what we like. Then I got the gherkin cucumbers, because Katie likes whole cucumbers in the jar, not cut up. So I got to have some more cucumbers. So I figured I'd get the little gherkins. Then we've got some peppers here. We've got the California Wonder, which is the red and green, so the sweet peppers. And then we've got some chili peppers. Yes, chili peppers. Some, oops, sorry, jalapenos, because we like our jalapenos. Some Black Beauty, the, what are these, zucchinis? What'd I get here? Manitoba, I think, Manitoba? I always say it wrong. They're just tomatoes. I've grown these before. They grow really nicely. I personally love beefsteak tomatoes. I was gonna say potatoes, but I personally like the beefsteak, but they didn't have just regular beefsteak. And I wasn't about to spend $15 for 5 seeds on specialty heritage organic beefsteak tomatoes. I'm sorry, that's just not happening. Okay, and I think all the rest of these are herbs, yeah. So I've got some calendula. I'm gonna be making some lotions and all this other fun stuff from these. And also, I do believe bees like these as well. So that will be nice. I know, I plant things for bees and everything else, and yes, I'm allergic to bees. Catnip. I may regret this because we have a lot of stray cats around here. I may regret this decision. Lavender, because you can never have enough lavender. Like seriously, you just cannot. And I got blue spear, that was the one I went with. English thyme, just a regular old thyme. Sage, just regular sage. I didn't get the white sage or anything. I just regular sage that you use for cooking. Rosemary, regular old rosemary. Sweet marjoram, because I love me some marjoram. lemon balm. Is there different forms of it? I don't think there is, but lemon balm. Calamine. I got the German variety, if I remember correctly. Does it say on here? If I remember correctly, because there was German and Roman. I think I do believe I went with the German variety. Okay, anyway. And then I got 2 different types of parsley. I've got the green forest, I think they call it here. Forest green, sorry. Or in my area, we call this curly parsley. And then the Italian parsley, or if you are like us, we call this flat parsley. Oh, it's not focus. Did I move again? There we go. And there we go. Flat parsley or Italian parsley. So those are the seeds that I picked up for, here, I'll just pick you up. Those are the seeds I picked up so far for the gardening, for the garden. Oh, sorry guys, I got a lot on my mind right now. Tomorrow is gonna be crazy around here, crazy. So yes, this is just some. I still gotta get my lettuce, my kale. I wanna get some echinacea. And there was one other one, I can't think of it right now. And I have a kitten that wants to knock over my tripod. And then of course just regular flower plants, because like I said, we're doing a major overhaul on landscaping here. Some of it I can show you, other parts I can't. But there we go, there are my seeds so far for 2019. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any comments about any of these I picked up, let me know. I love hearing stories with certain seeds. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.